To get started, I just added a video clip to my timeline, and I'd like to take a screenshot from it. To do this, first drag the playhead to the frame you want to take a screenshot of. Next, if you look under the preview, you should see a little camera. It should be the second to last button. However, if you're missing yours, just click the plus button over on the right side and then find and drag the camera button down by the other icons. Alright, now to take our screenshot, we'll just click the camera button, which will open up this pop-up in here. You can change the name of the image you're saving. If you want to switch your image format, you can do that, but I'll just leave mine at JPEG. Clicking Browse will let you change the location. You save your image too on your computer. And lastly, checking this box will allow you to import your image right into your project if you want to use it inside Premiere. That covers everything. So now just hit OK to save the screenshot to your computer right away. We can see it in the project bin, and if I open up File Explorer, you can see it. Saved it to my save location as well. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial. As always, thanks for watching and see you next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.